PowerStop Z23 Evolution Sport Brake Rotor and Pad Kit for the front and rear of the 2006 to 2014 Charger SRT8, as well as the 2006 to 2023 GT RT392 and Scat Pack with the 4-piston front calipers, is a great option if you're looking to enhance braking performance without compromising daily drivability. Whether you're simply commuting or you're pushing your Charger to its limits, this kit offers better stopping power, reduced brake dust, and a longer lifespan compared to factory brake components. This rotor and brake pad kit is designed to deliver improved braking performance while keeping things quiet and dust-free. The carbon fiber ceramic Z23 compound that they use to make these brake pads provides enhanced stopping power with minimal noise and dust buildup, making them ideal for daily drivers as well as those performance-oriented chargers. The slotted and drilled rotors help dissipate heat more efficiently, reducing the risk of brake fade during aggressive driving or repeated hard stops. The drilled holes in the rotors improve cooling performance, while the slots help keep the contact surface clean, ensuring consistent braking power in all conditions. PowerStop uses A-tier G3000 grade castings for these rotors, ensuring durability and reliability under various driving conditions. The rotors are going to feature this zinc-plated finish, which helps protect against rust and corrosion, making them a long-lasting upgrade over factory rotors. The pads are going to be made from a carbon fiber ceramic compound, providing a very strong bite while remaining quiet and producing less dust than traditional brake pads. Now, as far as pricing goes on this full kit, it's coming in right in that lower 500s price range, which is a solid price point for a set of all 4 rotors, all the pads you're going to need, plus the upgraded braking performance that it provides. Installation on this kit is designed as a straightforward direct replacement for your factory brake components. No modifications are going to be required, and the job can typically be completed in about 2 hours with just basic tools. So this earns a moderate 2 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Now let's see exactly how this kit gets installed with an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle.com customers.
Alright, so rotor change rotors, brake pads. These are the tools we're going to use. We're going to use a flathead, a pin driver, just take out the pins for the pads, hammer, impact. You don't have an impact, ratchet would do. 21 millimeter socket, that's for the front. For the rear, we're using basically a ratchet, 18 millimeter socket, and an 18 millimeter wrench. All right, basically what we're gonna start doing is go ahead and knock the pins out for the brake pads. Two pins come out. The little chainer clip comes out also. Brake pads should slide out, not. Give it a little tug on them or whatever. Get them coming out. Brake pads should come out. Same for the rear. Brake pads come out. All right, so now we got to take out the 21 millimeter bolts in the back. Take your caliper off. Your impact. There's 2 of them. You can see one on top, one on bottom. Caliper comes out. Put it off to the side. Basically, rotor comes out. That's the old rotor. You want to look at the rotor, that's the old rotor. We'll grab a new one. Basically just compressing the calipers. That way our brake pads will fit in. I don't at this time have the right tool for it, so we got to do a little improvising. So just make sure you're all the way closed. Use the old brake pads, push up against it. remove. So now we're good. Pressed on both sides. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and reassemble front rotor. Put it on here. Get that one on. Caliper. Get this one put on. We get about 2 bolts. From the front bolt, from the top bolt. Get that one started. The bottom bolt. Get that one started. Get it started, we go ahead and tighten those up. Now that that's on, go ahead and grab our brake pads, new brake pads. Slide those on. Front one, and rear, and front. So with our kit, our brake pads, it came with new hardware. Get 2 pins, our clip. Comes with some grease for pins. Go ahead and hit those pins in with some grease. Get them lubed up. Go ahead and get those started. Our new clip. There. Get the first one started. Go ahead and get that one all the way. A little hammer. Knock that one in all the way. Then we're done with the front. Repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright guys, moving on to the back. We did the front already. Back, same thing. Little pin driver. Knock the 2 pins out. One pin, 2 pin. Clip comes out. Grab my screwdriver. These brake pads out. One brake pad. 2 brake pads. Like I said, we got our 18mm with the ratchet. Go ahead and get 2 bolts out. Can't put a impact to it, so we got to get it with the ratchet. And the bottom one's a little bit harder to get to, so we got to get our 18mm wrench. Harder to get to. Harder to get to. Got your caliper, get it off the way for right now. Let it fall. Set it down. Rotor comes out. Well, it's a good time to go inspect your brake pads. Still got a little bit good, so we'll leave it that way. We'll go ahead and hit this a little bit with the brake cleaner, clean up the inside of it, and we'll get back. So now that we got the rotor on, get back our 18mm bolts. Go ahead and put those back on. Make sure it's tight. Tight. New brake pads. Part numbers. One on the back. One on front. Make sure you put them all right. Remember, new hardware. Grab 2 pin. Clip. Lumber again. Stock. Grease. Just get nice and loose. One side. Bottom one. Make sure you lock those in all the way. You have to grab a pin. Lock them in all the way. Done. Alright guys, same thing on the other side, and that will be good to go.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the PowerStop Z23 Evolution Sport Brake, Rotor, and Pad Kit for the 2006 to 2014 Charger SRT8, as well as the 2006 to 2023 GT RT392 and the Scat Pack with 4-piston front calipers. And for all things Charger, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.